Okay, so I hope my voice is clear and everyone can hear me. So let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Right. So basically, today's session is based on the Oracle DBA. I'll discuss about the uh, what is the use of Oracle DBA, what is the importance of Oracle DBA, and why we should learn about the Oracle DBA. Okay, so we will start with that. So let me try to share my screen so that you people will understand it very clearly. Those people who want to join this webinar, you can just use this link, you can use this meeting ID, and this is the passcode for today's session. This is the same meeting ID we are going to use for SQL training also from tomorrow, which is again completely free of cost. So those people who want to take the advantages of this SQL training, which is free of cost, please utilize this. Okay, now let me try to share my screen. It's already shared, and we'll discuss about the Oracle DBA. So in our today's lecture, I'm trying to give some heads up to you, like what is Oracle DBA, what is the importance of Oracle DBA, and all those things will start. Just give me a minute, guys. Let me see. Okay, so I'm back. Let's try to understand about Oracle DBA. We called it as a Oracle database administrator. What we called it as? We called it as a Oracle database administrator. So maybe you have heard about this terminology. Maybe some of your friends might be working as a Oracle DBA. Maybe you have heard this terminology from our YouTube channel. So there may be any circumstances where you heard about this Oracle DBA, which we call it as Oracle Database Administrator. So what is this Oracle Database Administrator? Like, see, we know one thing that we talked about the server, right? Till now, we talked about the server. So what we have done in the server, we installed this Ubuntu operating system, right? We have installed this Ubuntu. Now, this Ubuntu operating system we have installed, okay? Whenever you want to work as a Oracle DBA, the basically architecture will be like, you will have a server. Now this server will be your, it can be your Linux server, it can be your Windows server, or it can be your Unix server. And on the top of this server, you are going to install a database. What you are going to install? You are going to install database. Okay. And you know, in the real time, don't consider that we have only Oracle databases there. We have a different databases are there. Like we have a Oracle databases there, we have a MySQL databases there, we have PostgreSQL is there, likewise we have Microsoft SQL server is there, right? These are the different databases are there. But now those people who want to start their career into the Oracle DBA, we will have a server, and on the top of it we are going to install Oracle database. Why we are going to install Oracle database? Because we want to become a Oracle DBA. So basically what will happen, why we are using a database? To store your huge amount of data. To store your huge amount of data. I'll tell you the reason behind that. Let's take an example. Okay, let's take an example that you have a database. Okay, let's take an example. You are here and you are going to the bank. Okay, you are going to the bank. When you are going to the bank, you are saying that hi sir, I want to create my account. And he will ask you to fill up some details, like you are going to enter your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, your Aadhaar card number. All these details you will fill, and finally you will click on the submit button. You'll click on the submit button. As soon as you click on the submit button, okay, your information will be stored inside a database. So this will be database where your details will be stored. So in these details will be stored inside a database in the form of table, right? Maybe there is one table is there. The table name is customer table, and here your information is stored. What is the information? Like my name is Ankush, I am from here, this is my date of birth, and all these details will be stored. So there is a customer table, and under that customer table your information is stored. But do you think that your information is only available in that table? No. Now if you take the example of SBI, there are millions of people are there, right? So millions of people information will be stored under this customer table. Now in future what will happen, these people will do some transactions also, so their transaction table will be there. And like let's say I'm going to the bank, I'm withdrawing some 1000 rupees from my bank account. So that transactions, again I'm doing some transactions, you are doing some transactions, so thousands of transactions will be recorded into the transactions table. So you have a customer table where you are going to store your customer related information. There will be a transaction table where you are going to store transaction related information. There will be one more table will be there where they will be stored the information about the taxes. So all the tax related information will be there. Now we need someone, okay, in the Oracle DBA. What will happen? We need someone who is going to manage this database. Who is going to manage this database means, let's say you want to start the database, you want to stop the database. There should be someone who is going to take the backup of this database. Who will do that? That will be done by the database administrator. And we called it as a DBA, database administrator. Who is going to do that? Database administrator. But which database administrator? If it is a Oracle database, software, let's say you have a server, okay, and on that server if you are installing Oracle database, then in order to manage the Oracle database we need Oracle DBA, Oracle database admin. Let's say if company is thinking that we don't want Oracle database, we want MySQL database, so there will be MySQL DBA will be there. Don't consider that in reality we have only Oracle database administrators are there. We have a MySQL DBA position, Oracle DBA position, PostgreSQL DBA position, Apps DBA position. We have many other positions are there. But now if you are asking me that which is the mostly used database, in real time, then I would say that it is a Oracle database. You ask to someone, you ask to Google, you ask to ChatGPT, you ask to anyone, the mostly wide used database is Oracle database only. Which is the database? Oracle database. Oracle database is the database which is mostly used. Okay, which is mostly used. So why it is mostly used? Because in terms of security, in terms of support, okay, it has more features compared to the other database. There will be a question in your mind that can you please tell me the applications where database is used? Any applications, okay? You take the example of any banking system. So normally the architecture will looks like this. You are going to use a server. You are going to use a server. So this server can be your Unix server. As I said, it can be your Linux server. It can be your Windows server. Mostly we will use Linux server. Normally in real-time production environment, they will use Linux server. On this Linux server, you are going to install a database, and this database will be your Oracle database. This database will be your Oracle database. Who is going to manage this Oracle database? This will be managed by the Oracle DBA, Oracle Database Administrator. Who is going to store a data into this database? It can be any application. Like let's take an example of any banking application. Like we have a SBI, we have a ICICI, you have a DBS bank is there, you have a Axis bank is there, we have a Yes bank is there, Punjab bank. You take any bank, guys, any bank. See, I'm going to the bank, I want to withdraw some amount. So you can see in your internet banking that earlier, let's say if 10,000 was there in my pocket, now I can see only 1,000 is there. So from where this 1,000 is coming? This 1,000 it is coming because in the database 1,000 is mentioned. So whatever you see as a application, आप लोग देखते हो ना, whatever you see in the 1,000 in your YONO application, that YONO SBI bank is there, right? YONO. If you see 1,000 here, this 1,000 is just a GUI, but where it is actually stored inside your database. Let's say you are withdrawing this 1,000 rupees also, you can see 0. Why 0 is there? Because 0 is available inside the database. So whatever transactions you are going to do inside the database, that will be tracked inside your Oracle database. आप कुछ भी करो. Let's say you are going to the bank, you are withdrawing some money, you are depositing some money. Today I purchase something from the Amazon, like I purchased one earphone, right? So that transactions, what will happen? This database will be connected to your application. Let's say it's getting connected to the Amazon, and I got connected to this application. So I'm purchasing something from this Amazon. I'm purchasing something from this Amazon. So that transactions what I did on the Amazon, it is getting tracked under the Oracle database. Where it is getting tracked? Under the Oracle database. Where it is getting tracked? Under the Oracle database. So that's how it is going to happen. That's how it is going to happen inside your Oracle database. So Oracle database is like widely used. You take the example of any banking system, all the banks they are using. You take the example of IRCTC, they are using a Oracle database. You take the example of this Zoom application also. Whatever recordings is happening, whatever you guys are typing in the chat, everything is getting stored inside your database. Whatever amount you are going to pay us for the training, whatever you are doing, everything is getting, even if you are going to my website, learnomate.org. Let's say you are going to our website. This is our official website. You are going here, right? Most of the people might be visited our website. This is a learnomate.org. Recently we launched our new website. Earlier it was different. So those people who might have visited here, you might have clicked on the login button, then you must have registered here. Okay, so that information needs to be stored somewhere, right? That information needs to be stored somewhere. So everything is getting tracked under the Oracle database. But don't consider that it will be only Oracle, okay? But I'm saying that most of the companies are using Oracle database. And that is the reason, there is a demand in the IT industry to the database administrator. So one thing is very much should be clear that why and where we are going to use Oracle database. Now there will be a question in your mind that like what I'm going to learn in the Oracle DBA, what I will do. See, when I have this server is there, and on this server when I have this database is there, when I have a server and on this server I have database is there, and we have very important data is there inside this Oracle database. I have this database where my very important data is there. So you are going to take the backup of this database, right? There need someone who is going to take the backup of this database. Who is going to take the backup of this database? Oracle DBA. There is a Oracle DBA who is going to take the backup of this database. We need someone who is going to restore this database. Like, let's say my database got crashed, something happened to my database. Let's say my database got crashed. There is some issues with my database. So we need someone who is going to restore this database backup, right? So that will be done by the Oracle DBA. Let's say I want to store let's say I have set up my new business, the Learnomate Technologies Private Limited. We started a new company and I want to store my student data. So what I will do, I will ask a request to the DBA team. Hi DBA team, can you please install a database for me? So who is going to install a database for you? This will be done by the Oracle DBA. There will be a DBA team who is going to install new database. So we are going to take the backup, we are going to restore the database, we are going to install a new database. We install new database, we are going to install new database. We are mainly responsible for that. We are also mainly responsible for the performance of your Oracle database. Okay, we are also responsible for performance. Performance is also very important, right? See, if the performance is not good, okay, if the performance is not good, then also it is a problem, right? Performance, see, why we launched our new website? Because the performance of the previous website was not good. So the number of users who want to connect with us, they are not connecting. So performance wise also it is very important, right? So performance also play a very important role. Okay, so who is going to maintain the performance? That performance of your Oracle database will be also maintained by the Oracle DBA. See, many times you might have observed that when you go to the bank, these people are always saying one thing: our server down, the server is down, the server is not responding. Maybe when you are going to purchase some new property, that time you need to do some kharidi and vikri, we used to call like that, right? So that time the people are saying that the administrator team who is available on that server, they are saying that the server is not responding. So usually why it is happening? Because your actual database is not responding. See, this is a server, this is a server, this is a database, and you want to do some transactions. Maybe on that database many transactions are happening. So what will happen? Your database will be really slow, correct? So we are responsible to increase the performance of your Oracle database. Let's say this database is getting connected to the Amazon. When you go to the Amazon, you are not able to do some transactions. You want to purchase one camera, but you are not able to do that. Why? Because the database is not working properly. So it's a problem, right? So you are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. So likewise, there are many responsibilities are there of a Oracle DBA. Among them, very important is your database should be up and running 24/7. Your database should be up and running. It should be up and running 24/7. Your database should be up and running 24/7. See, if this Zoom is not working properly, do you think that you will be able to connect to this meeting? No, right? You will not be able to connect to this meeting. So your performance should be up to the mark. Your database should be up and running. Your database should be up and running 24/7. So that is the reason the people will work in the multiple shifts also when you are working as a Oracle DBA. So why we should learn Oracle DBA? Because any person who is coming from non-technical background, any person who is coming from non-technical background, he can easily understand this technology, because in this technology you are not going to work with any programming or coding. There is no coding, no coding. Like let's say you are coming from BA, BCom, BSc, and or maybe BPO. Maybe you are already working with the non-technical skill set. Maybe you are working with the testing background. Then we have network is there, and you want to switch to the Oracle DBA. You can easily do that because there is no coding available. If you think that you have a gap in your career and you are thinking that okay, now I want to come to the IT industry, you can easily understand this technology. It is just like a kind of repetitive work. See, the development is very difficult for us. If you want to understand Java or Python, if you think that you are coming from non-technical background and you want to understand Java and Python, people will say that okay, you go to the Python, you learn Python and Java. Believe me, even even there are people who are coming from IT background, they are not able to understand it. That difficult it is. But if you think that you are very smart, okay, then I'm suggesting that you go to the development. But I know that it is not my cup of tea, so why to go? Start with the Oracle DBA, but don't consider that it is a non-technical skill set. Oracle DBA can be understood by non-technical person, but this is a IT work. Okay, this is a IT work. It's kind of repetitive work. If I told you how to install a Oracle database, you can do that very easily, no coding required. So if you are coming from any background, like we have a candidates who are already working as a DBA coming from BCom. Last month only we have a candidate, three people got selected as a Oracle DBA coming from BSc background. 2 days back there is one candidate, she was working as a teacher, now she is working as a Oracle DBA. She joined the company also. So certain situations are there where you can easily start your career as a Oracle DBA. What you can do, you can easily start your career as a Oracle DBA. And believe me, any person who is coming from non-technical background can work on these technologies. Okay, so that's the case. Okay, that's the case. uh, we have many things are there. Now if you have any questions, okay, before that, whatever we have discussed till now, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option? Can you please use the chat option and let me know if you are able to understand? Rajesh Singh, yes. Naji Singh, yes. Rajesh Singh, yes. Sayenda Singh, no. Opai Singh, yes. Himi Singh, yes. Devda Singh, yes. Pawan Singh, yes. Yes. Okay, nice. So I see everyone is able to understand. So many people are asking me one question that uh, why, like, why we should learn this technology. So I have clearly mentioned about that. Now next thing is that we need to, how we can start this as a Oracle DBA. Okay, now I told you, before that I told you like what is Oracle DBA and all. There will be a question in your mind that how we can start this, how we can start our career as a Oracle DBA. So if you go here, if you click on the trainings, so this is our official website of the Learnomate technologies. If you go here, you can see there is a training is available with the name Oracle DBA 19C. You can see there is a training available with the name. I'll just copy this and I will share it in the chat options so everyone can see that. If you go here, I just entered the URL. Now, what we are going to learn with this Oracle DBA, how we are going to start our career as a Oracle DBA. If you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, then first of all, you should have some basic knowledge about the SQL and Linux. There may be a lot of people, they might have gone through already the training that we started, which is free SQL and Linux we have already covered, and we are going to start with the SQL also from tomorrow. So we are going to repeat another set of SQL and Linux with this training also. We are going to start with the along with the Oracle DBA. Don't think that we are going to directly start with the Oracle DBA. No, we will start with the SQL and Linux. So some people may have a lot of questions when they were learning about the Linux. They may be having questions related to the SQL also. Maybe they did not get the chance to ask the question because we have a lot of candidates coming to this class. But you can ask me when you are the part of this premium training. Like as soon as you are going to enroll for the Oracle DBA program, you can ask, you can unmute yourself, whatever questions you have, we are going to talk about that. Once you are comfortable with SQL and Linux, then we are going to start with the Oracle DBA related topics like Oracle 19C architecture, database installation, multi-tenant architecture, backup, your ASM, database, data guard, OEM, and lot of many things are there. If you want to know about this, you can go here and you can just download each and everything from here. Like you can just click on the download now and you can download the complete syllabus. Okay, you can download the complete syllabus and you can see that over here. Another thing is, who can learn this technology? As I said, like the person who is coming from non-technical background, a person who is coming from any degree, like any degree, not a problem. Okay, coming into the IT industry doesn't look for any degree. You can come with BTech, you can come with BA, BCom, not a problem. Okay, so prerequisite, as I mentioned, if you have some basic knowledge of Linux and SQL, that's pretty much important. But again, don't think that we are not going to cover that. We are going to cover that with this training only. So all the syllabus and everything you can see here, I have already mentioned that. We have a training available, that's a classroom training also available. Like if you are coming from Pune location, we have a classroom training available. If you are coming from non-Pune location, like maybe some of the people coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, we have a candidates coming from outside India also. So we have a online mode is available, and we have a recorded sessions are also available. Like those people who think that okay, because of my shift and all, like I may not be able to, I may not be able to continue this live classes, so you can get the recorded sessions also. If you want to connect with us, if you think that okay, now I want to start the training, you can click on the contact us, you can fill up the details which is available over here. And those people who are interested to join our training, they can call us on this number. This is our official website. You can email us or just fill up the form which is available over here, and my team will reach out to you. Okay, what is the importance of our training? That it's completely, it's completely practical based training, real time. So we are mainly focusing on job oriented training. Whatever, like there are thousands of people got selected under our training. Whatever questions they have been asked, we will provide you. We already have a set of questions available. We discuss that questions answers in our classroom. We also provide the recorded sessions, like the recordings will be available. We have a dedicated technical team is available. You can chat with them, you can email them, you can have a discussion, you can ask n number of questions in the class. And as you know that you might have already gone through our YouTube channel, it's completely 100% practical based training. We will also going to cover the projects. We will discuss about the project that you can share it with your client. You can say that okay, this is the project that you already work. So any person who is coming from non-technical background, okay, he can start his career as a Oracle DBA. If you have a gap in your career, let's say there are many candidates, they are saying that because of some family responsibility I had to leave the job and again I want to resume that. So those people, because this training we are going to start from the very basic. Okay, you might have already observed that a person coming from non-technical background is also able to do that. Okay, so we are going to start that. So those people who are interested to join this, they can pay the fees from here, or those people who are coming from out of India, they can pay the fees in dollar from here. Just click on the pay now. We have a 6 months, 3 months no cost EMI offer going on for another 3 days. So you can check that. Once the training get completed, you will get the certifications also. You get the certification, and that certification will be really helpful for your career. If you want to know about our reviews and everything, you can check our Google and you can see the things over here. So this is my profile. If you want to know more about my profile, or our Instagram or anything, just go here and you can reach out to us on this number. Okay, so that's all about the things about us. If you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know. We can discuss about that. Okay, so today we have discussed about like what's the importance of DBA, what is Oracle DBA, how we are going to take the training. Again, like we are going to provide you the server access also. Okay, so those people, for practice purpose, obviously, like you might be having a question like how we will do the practice, right? So you will get the dedicated server and everything. Okay, so you can do the practice. What is the good thing about this training, that we are also providing the support. We have a dedicated team is there. Okay, by any chance if you get stuck many times, like what people are facing in the real time, that in the class they are very good, but after the class when they want to do a practice, how it is going to how it is going to help them. Okay, let's say I got some error message, who is going to help me? There are many people, when we are talking about the Linux, they were facing the challenge, but who is going to take care of that? Now we have a dedicated team is there. We have a dedicated team, they are technically very sound, they will take your control, fix the issues, and you will not stop anywhere. Okay, you will not stop anywhere. We will, after the training, we will discuss about the resume preparation, we will discuss about the certification path, we will discuss about the mock interviews, we will conduct the mock interviews. If you see our YouTube channel, if you get a chance, and if you visit our YouTube channel by any chance, this is our YouTube channel. Maybe if you have not gone through that, please go here. This is the YouTube channel. So if you visited our YouTube channel over here, there is a playlist is available. We have already conducted a lot of mock interviews of the people. If you go here, you can see here there is a Oracle DBA mock interviews, right? So we have already conducted a lot of mock interviews of the people, and we are continuing that. So recently, like today only, we have completed our 18,000 Oracle DBA followers. Still now we have uploaded 992 videos. So you can see it's a knowledge. If you just visit our website now, you will say that lot of knowledge you can get it from here. Okay, and we are continuously growing up. We are continuously adding new and new things to our uh, YouTube channel. Okay, so we are here to help you out. Okay, so take the advantages of it. If you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know. Okay, so please go to this website if you want to know about the training and all. We are starting this training from next week. Okay, uh, so we have a multiple batches are available. So if you have any queries, anything, let me talk about that. Okay, so we will take that things. Okay, so those people who want to ask something, please raise your hand. But again, ask something relevant. Okay, and related to the training. Okay, okay, let.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Kamlesh.
Sir, is it possible to cover all syllabus in just 45 days and get job ready?
It's not 45 days. It will take around 3 months to complete your SQL, Linux, and Oracle DBA. So we are going to take 3 months of training. It's not 45 days of training. Okay, 45 days is only for the Oracle DBA, but since we are including SQL and Linux, it will take 3 months to complete the training. Okay. Yes. Next question, please. Okay. Let me unmute someone. So yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
So one doubt is there, sir, for me that if we want to connect our database to the website, we will have two servers, right, sir? One is database server and one is web server.
Okay.
I mean, can you briefly explain the process again? How
That
many kinds of servers will be there?
that we will take in the class. Okay, today like main focus is that to ask the question related to the training. Okay, so those people who have a questions related to the training, please raise your hand. I will talk about that. Okay, let me.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, myself Kondal Rosa.
Yes.
As well, I am in Andhra Pradesh.
Mhm.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Till now, everything is fine, sir. But what about the rack, sir? Nowadays, everyone asking rack. Rack is the advanced version, as there, sir.
Nowadays, like those people who are showing some 2+ years of experience, the rack is quite compulsory for everyone, but there is a process. Like first of all, you need to take the Oracle DBA training, and then you need to go for the Oracle rack. If you cannot directly go to the Oracle rack without having a knowledge about the Oracle DBA. So
Okay.
the flow is pretty much simple. First of all, SQL, Linux,
Okay.
Oracle DBA,
Okay.
and then RAC DBA. Likewise.
Okay.
So yes,
Total, how much cost, sir?
the Oracle, you can check the website or you can visit our
Sir,
you can see.
okay, sir. In your back end team, they will inform to me, sir. But some fixed cost.
No, you can do one thing. All the cost related things and fees related things, please check with the Learnomate team. They will talk about that. Okay. Next question, please.
So you said for Oracle DBA 45 days it will take. So can we only take Oracle DBA course?
No, the training that we are providing right now, it's a combination of SQL, Linux, and Oracle DBA. Okay.
So we have to take all together.
It's not a different course basically. It's a single course.
So
Okay.
no, I'm telling like if we already know SQL, so only we can learn Oracle DBA. So again, why to learn SQL? So that's what I'm asking.
No, but we have a structure like that only as of now.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Yes, please. Next question, please. Okay, Sairam, you can 1 minute. Let me unmute Sairam. Is
Yeah,
it
I spoke behalf of Saira.
okay? Let me lower the hand. What about Swati? Is there? Let me. Okay, those people who already asked the question, or those who don't want to ask the question, please do not raise your, because we are getting confused here. Okay. Okay, so we have Raju. Let me ask him. Yes, please, Raju.
Hello,
Yes.
Akshay here. Akshay Ghak.
Yes, Akshay.
Yeah, actually सर मैं पिछले 5 साल से कॉग्निजेंट में काम कर रहा था फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 ईयर। आफ्टर दैट मुझे मैं अभी ओरेकल डीबीए में स्विच हुआ हूँ डिजिटल ऑपरेशन से। तो मुझे एसक्यूएल का थोड़ा नॉलेज है, तो मुझे ये जानना था कि मैं कौन से कोर्स से स्टार्ट करूँ, मतलब अभी आपके इसमें से कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, बिकॉज एक्चुअली बिफोर मैं 11G का ट्रेनिंग ले चुका था फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, लेकिन उसके बाद में 5 साल का गैप पड़ा तो 11G तब चालू था। उसके बाद में मुझे जो भी था नॉर्मली बेसिक ओरेकल आर्किटेक्चर, बेसिक एसक्यूएल एंड लिनक्स पता था। उसके बाद में अभी मैं 9 मंथ से ओरेकल डीबीए काम कर रहा हूँ एज ओरेकल डीबीए। तो अभी मैं क्या स्टार्ट करूँ एक्चुअली? मैं अभी इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट आरमैन ये बैकअप वगैरह वो करता हूँ, मैक्सिमम टेबल्स पे अल्टरिंग, यूजर क्रिएशन, परमिशन वगैरह ये करता हूँ।
ओके,
तो अभी मैं क्या करूँ एक्चुअली? मुझे जरूरत है क्लास की, तो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ बहुत दिन से आपको, आपकी वीडियोस वो देखता हूँ, तो इसके लिए मैंने आपको रजिस्टर करके कल भी पूछा था। तो वो मुझे जानना है कि अभी क्या स्टार्ट करूँ।
अभी जो आपका जैसे आपको आपने बोला है कि आपको बेसिक तो नॉलेज है यहाँ पे। ओके,
या
सो आप क्या कर सकते हो ना कि वी यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस ओरेकल डीबीए, लेकिन हम लोग ओरेकल डीबीए का स्टार्टिंग से लेते हैं क्योंकि हम लोगों का
या
स्ट्रक्चर एकदम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है। हम लोग स्टार्ट विद द एसक्यूएल लिनक्स स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड देन ओरेकल डीबीए। अब ये ओरेकल
या
डीबीए में भी हम लोगों के एडवांस पार्ट है, ये सिर्फ कोर डीबीए नहीं है, इसमें
ओके
एडवांस पार्ट है। लाइक हम लोगों का डेटा गार्ड है, एएसएम है, पैचिंग है, अपग्रेडेशन है, शेल
या
स्क्रिप्टिंग है, ओईएम है, परफॉर्मेंस है, ये सारी चीज़ें ऑलरेडी इसमें इंक्लूडेड है। एंड
ओके
एकदम हम बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं ताकि जिसको जो बंदा एकदम नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से भी अगर आता है तो उसको भी समझ में आए। एंड फिर
हाँ बरोबर
लास्ट में फिर हम लोग वो बड़े बड़े वाले टॉपिक्स लेंगे जिसमें हाई एबिलिटी वाले कंसेप्ट जो है वो वाले हम लोग लेते हैं। सो नॉट अ
ओके
प्रॉब्लम, लाइक आप ये ओरेकल डीबीए वाला जो कोर्स है ना इसको आप एनरोल करो। ओके,
या
एंड
या
उसके बाद में
एक्चुअली
आप रैक के लिए भी ट्राई कर सकते हो।
ठीक है। और मुझे ना एक और जानना था, मुझे अभी 9 मंथ हुआ है
हम्म
एंड मैं ये सोच रहा था कि जब मैं 12 मंथ हो जाएगा मेरा 1 ईयर, तो
हम्म
मुझे एक बार स्विच करना चाहिए एज पर माई कलीग।
हम्म
तो उसके लिए भी मुझे प्रिपेयर होना है 3 महीने में, तो
तब तक
वो
हो
भी
जाओगे आप, तब तक आराम से हो
हो
जाओगे।
ओके ठीक है सर, थैंक यू, आई विल एनरोल।
थैंक्स। Yes, next one, please. Raju, case miss the lower hand. ठीक है।
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. My
Yes.
name is Sahib. Sir, actually, I want to know after completed DBA, then what about the placements process, sir?
प्लेसमेंट का लाइक वी डू प्रोवाइड द जॉब असिस्टेंस। ओके, तो जो इन द जॉब असिस्टेंट लाइक जैसे आपका ये हो गया, लेट्स से यू कंप्लीटेड योर ट्रेनिंग। ओके, आफ्टर द ट्रेनिंग वी आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आउट विद द रिज्यूमे प्रिपरेशंस, जो भी स्टैंडर्ड रिज्यूमे प्रिपरेशंस होता है विच विल बी लिसन बाय द मल्टीपल कंपनीज। So we will help you with the resume preparation. We will help you with the mock interviews. Mock interviews means like I will ask the question and you need to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
help
I
me
can
with the
answer.
answer like that. So make sure that you are pretty much comfortable with that. But that we will take once you are comfortable. Like after the training, we take some 5-10 days so that
Yes.
you will be prepared, and then we will ask the mock interviews. So this mock interview is going to really helpful for you. Not only for you, like for all the people. Like we got very positive feedback from that, because so many questions we will ask, and that will be the real time questions which has been asked by the in multiple companies like Cognizant, Infosys, you take any example. So,
Okay.
and we will also talk about the answers also, so that whenever you go for an real interview, that time you will not face any challenges and your confidence will be really high. So if you are showing some, like if you are work you have some experience and all, getting an opportunity to the job portals like Naukri or LinkedIn or wherever you want, we will help you with all the preparation from our side.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Hi, sir. This is Madhumita from Chennai location.
Yes, Madhu.
So I'm a fresher, sir. Already I did a course and I maintain a Naukri and a LinkedIn profiles as a Oracle DBA. I created resume, but as a fresher, I only get a less opportunity to attend interviews, sir. That's why experienced candidate only get an opportunity for that.
See, it's not the issue with the technology, or it's not a issue with the it's a issue with the fresher tag. Okay, everywhere there is a challenges for the fresher. Even my time also, when we, because fresher are like, the companies are not ready to spend the money on the fresher tag. Okay, there are companies but very less opportunities are there. So whatever fresher people, those who are getting selected from our institute, they are like, if they get an opportunity for the interview, they are cracking that. We should not miss a single opportunity, because as I said earlier, opportunities are very less, but take that seriously. Now if you are thinking that you will get 10 calls and then you are going to crack one interview, that is not going to happen. Okay, you will hardly get some 3-4 calls and you need to crack the interview. So that's happening with everyone. Okay, so please, you need to understand that it's not a problem with the technology, or it's not a problem with you don't think that if I do data science or if I do the other technology, I would have get more opportunity. Not like that. Fresher tag is a problem with everyone. Okay, so whenever you get and don't try for the big companies. Like, see, now in this year I didn't see any op campuses are happening. In the COVID time also it didn't happen. Normally, like in 2016, 17, 18, normally, like you might have seen a lot of op campuses. Like op campuses means there will be some companies will come visit, they will take the lot of freshers. But from last 2-3 years we are not seeing any op campuses also. I hope so in next year it will be improved. So we have companies where openings are there, like freshers, like mid scale companies are there. So you need to utilize that companies, but make sure that you will not get more calls, but you need to take that seriously whatever calls you are getting, and try to update your resume. Try doing more and more connections on the LinkedIn. Try to follow the people, like the influencer people will be there. Try to get in touch with them and try to send a message to everyone. See, you need to keep on trying. That's a real, that's a thing which I can tell you. And even I'm telling to my student also, if you get an opportunity, you should crack it. Okay, take that seriously, like that.
Okay. But around 3-4 months, I followed LinkedIn and Naukri job portal. So I get only one call from company. So that is also Oracle technical and that related, but not Oracle DBA. So I skipped it.
You need to go everywhere. Okay, whatever interview calls you are getting, try for that. Okay, if you're thinking, so if, especially for the like as I said earlier also, like fresher is very difficult. Okay, now the time is not that good. Okay, if you think that someone will knock your door and he will come up with the job, it's not going to happen. Okay, so that's how it's going to happen. Next question, please.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you so much, first of all, for such a handy and useful session. Sir, I have actually a couple of questions. First of all, the course context that is like for 3 months, you already mentioned, I think, yeah, if I'm not wrong.
Correct.
Yeah, will we be able to pass the OCA and OCP?
You can do that. You can do that. There are many candidates, they are doing the same.
To OCP level, not OCE level, yeah, right?
OCP, you can do that. OCP, you can do that. But if you add there are some of the concepts related to the RAC also in that OCP. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to go through the till RAC. You need to go.
So for OCE, what are the courses we need to cover?
For OS, see right now, like earlier there were two courses were there, two certification were there. One was OCA and second was OCP. Okay, like that
Right.
it was there. But now OCA they already combined with the OCP only. They already combined with OCP. Okay.
Yes.
So you need to go till RAC course, Oracle DBA plus RAC.
So only till RAC, we are not covering data guard and ASM?
It's already there with the Oracle DBA only.
Okay, it's part of Oracle DBA, yes?
Yeah, yes. In Oracle DBA,
sir-
we already cover data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, everything is there. But RAC is
Okay,
not
so
it. RAC is a separate course.
RAC is separate. This one is clear. And my last question is, what's Oracle Golden Gate?
Golden Gate is a migration tool. Basically, if I want to tell you in simple term, whenever, let's say I'm using a Oracle, let's say I'm using a MySQL database and I have my
Yes.
data is available inside the MySQL, but now I want to move my data from MySQL to Oracle. So that time they use the Golden Gate technologies. So it's a separate tool, but again, it's a part of Oracle. It's under the Oracle only.
It's a part of this Oracle Core course?
No, we have a separate training for that.
And what will be the duration of that one?
That will go for 2 months.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks.
Much appreciated.
Thanks. Yes, please. Next question. Those people who raise the hand, please make sure that there is no noise is coming from the background and utilize that. Yes, please.
सर एक बात पूछनी थी आपसे
Yes.
सर अभी मैं जस्ट करंटली जॉब कर रहा हूँ एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट प्रोफाइल में तो अभी मैं स्विच कर सकता हूँ या डीबीए में
आराम से कर सकते हो. सबसे ज्यादा अगर
लेकिन
ओरेकल डीबीए में आने वाले बंदे अगर कोई होंगे ना, ये एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट वाली है.
हाँ लेकिन पता है एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट वाली है लेकिन अभी मैं जब ओरेकल डीबीए में आऊंगा तो मुझे पैकेज बढ़ा के मिलेगा या उतना ही बेसिक मिलेगा जो मैं न्यू स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, वो तो बढ़ा के मिलेगा ऑब्वियसली. जो आपका करंट पैकेज होता है, सी नई कंपनी को बोलने का नहीं कि मैं एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट में काम करता हूँ, उसको बोलने का मैं ओरेकल डीबीए में काम करता हूँ.
लेकिन लेकिन मेरा जो मेरा पुराना जो ऑफर लेटर देखेंगे तो उसपे तो मेंशन होगा ना.
See, when you go for any new interview ना, okay, they much worried about कि भाई आप सच में काम करते थे कि नहीं करते थे. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि ओरेकल डीबीए के लिए इंटरव्यू लेंगे और अंदर जाके ओरेकल डीबीए का काम ही नहीं देते. ऐसा भी हुआ है, होता है. तो the designation doesn't matter. What matter is कि you were really working there and are you able to crack that interview, है ना. डाल दिए रिज्यूमे में, डाल दिए 10-10 लोगो डाल दिए ओरेकल सर्टिफिकेशन के, लेकिन जब क्वेश्चन पूछते तो मुंह से आवाज नहीं आ रही है, क्या करेंगे वो 10 लोगों का.
ओके सर लेकिन कोर्स अभी 3 महीने का है.
3 महीने चलेगा.
ऑफलाइन या ऑनलाइन चलेगा?
दोनों भी है अपने पास.
दोनों भी. इंस्टीट्यूट कहाँ है आपका?
वाकड लोकेशन पे, भूमकर चौक. यू कैन गो टू द गूगल एंड सर्च विद लर्नोमेट टेक्नोलॉजी, यू विल गेट लोकेशन.
ओके एंड फीस?
फीस सब कुछ ट्रेनिंग, ये इनको पूछो, सेल्स वालों को पूछो, वो बता देंगे.
ओके थैंक यू.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
Hi.
Hi, Lillian.
Hello.
Yeah, I can
Hi.
hear.
Okay. Thanks for everything. But my question is, like in Oracle database, you said we are going to teach. RAC is a major thing in Oracle. So, and you talked about getting a job after the 3 months training.
Okay.
Then how are you going to work when you don't have knowledge of RAC? Because are you going to wait for another 2 months after this training before you start? You put in you use your you start applying for jobs.
No,
And
normally what we do, like, this Oracle DBA training is going for 3 months. Okay. So what we do, like, with the candidates, as soon as they cover up with the Oracle DBA, we ask them to start looking for the job, because in Oracle DBA we already cover up the concept like data guard, ASM, patching. All these big concepts are there. I do understand that in that there is no RAC is available. Why it is not available? Because RAC is quite vast. We need separate 2 months for that. But what we ask to the candidate, that once you cover up with the Oracle DBA, once you are done with the Oracle DBA, then you start looking for the job, and parallelly you can understand the Oracle RAC concept also parallelly. Okay. So once you are done with the Oracle DBA training, start looking for the job. Okay. Start looking for the job, and parallelly you start learning the Oracle RAC also. If you are having some 2+ years of experience, and if you know some basic of RAC, that is also more than enough to crack the interview. So we have lot of candidates are there, those who understand Oracle DBA and the basic of RAC. Parallelly they started looking for the job and they got the job. Okay. So you don't need to wait for 5 months or 6 months to apply for the job. 3 months, start looking for the job. Parallelly you start going for RAC also, and then look for the Oracle DB, then start understanding the other concept and get ready for the job. So that's the thing what we can do from our side, and start giving the mock interviews along with that. We will take continuously all that things. Yes, please. Next.
Hi, Ankush. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So the question is like you said, like you're going to provide technical support, right?
Yeah.
For any kind of query we are getting.
Correct.
So the technical support is only for that during the training period, or like for long-term period?
Long-term period means we cannot provide the technical support for lifetime. That's which is not possible. The technical support will be available. Let me mute you. Okay. So the technical support will be available till the training and after the training also. But after the training means, after the training, like we will provide you for another 1 month. Okay. But because, like, again, it will be the same thing that we have a lot of candidates out there. Okay. So the commitment is like the training will be there for 3 months. So you will have a support for 4 months. You consider like that. And make sure that we for 4 months is more than enough to for all the queries and everything. Yes, please. Next question, please.
Sir, hi sir, this is Mauli.
Yes, Mauli.
Sir, how you are going to cover the OEM in this DBA training?
We are going to show you how OEM works, what is the functionality of OEM, and we already have a OEM setup ready. So
okay,
that I'm going to show.
And like you will give the lab access, right?
Lab we will provide you.
Okay, sir.
Thanks. Next question, please.
Yeah, hello, Ankush.
Yes.
This is Kumar.
Yes, please.
So I'm already in the IT field. Actually, I'm working in this associate database administrator only. So
yes,
where I deal with the daily tickets, but it's on the basic level. I used to deal with it daily time.
Correct.
So it's almost 1.5 year I'm going to complete. In just 5-6 months, I'm going to complete this 2 years also. So I saw the content of the course. It's quite helpful for me to advance concept, to learn and to switch the job also. So I want to know what are the opportunities can I get after this course? And I heard about the RAC technology also. So how I used to balance this and to get the decent package after the course? Because already I'm working in the same technology, almost 1.6 year I'm going to complete. So I just want to get some points from you.
So as you know that the demand of the IT industry is very high. Okay, the demand is saying that we should have a knowledge about the Oracle DBA also, we should have a knowledge about RAC also, if you are showing some 2+ years of experience. Okay, now if you are showing 2+ years of experience, obviously you can expect a good package. Okay, since there is a lot of crowd is also there in the Oracle. A lot of crowd means the many people know about the Oracle DBA. Everyone know about the Oracle DBA. Means those people who are working as a DB, actually I'm saying. Very few people know about the RAC concept. So if you want to separate them, you really, if you सबसे अगर अलग दिखना है, so you should start learning the RAC also. That's very important. You should start learning about the OEM also. That's sort of very important. And if you are showing all these things in your resume, you can expect a good package. This is the problem with most of the people. Those people who are working as a Oracle DBA, they are not getting a good work. What we saw, like, these people are not getting, or maybe some people, senior people, are not giving an opportunity to that the junior level people. So that is the reason they are not able to understand much about the technology, in depth about the technology. Maybe you will just do the monitoring, you will just do the user management, but you will not do the backup, recovery, all those things. You are not getting a chance. So somewhere you are going to lag yourself, correct? So why many people are joining us, because of this reason also, that in their project their seniors are not giving support, their seniors are not allowing them to do this task, and that is the reason the people are not that is the reason the people are not much comfortable with this technology. So what these people are doing, like, they take the training, they search the job outside, and then see, you need to understand the IT industry. If I am in the company for 3 years, I will not get opportunity to work on the hard, the more responsible work. But if there is a person who is coming from outside world, he is like, he is like, he will get more opportunity compared to you. Okay, so when you select to the new company, you will get more opportunity, more work, new people will be there, new opportunities will be there. And don't stay at one company for more than 3 years. I'm always saying that stay at one company for 2 years and then switch the company. When you're switching the multiple companies, the thing is that you will get more exposure to the new work. अगर आप एक ही कंपनी में साल भर रुकोगे, then it's very difficult. Okay, so that's how learn the technology from outside and go to the new company. You'll get more respect also. Yes, next please.
I wanted to ask.
Someone was asking something, I missed that.
Hey Ankush,
Yes,
Praveen Madhukar here. Ankush, I'm a core SQL administrator. Like I have almost 12 plus years of experience in SQL administration.
Which administration you said?
It's SQL Server administration.
SQL Server, Windows 1.
Yes. So my request is it possible to learn your videos like offline?
Like we do provide the recording also. So as per your time and flexibility, you can watch the recording, not a problem.
So can I get more information about how to get those information to subscribe those videos?
Yeah, you can get that. You can check with my team. They will provide you the video access.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I think I have. Please rename yourself with your own name, so that we will understand that who is talking. Okay, don't join with some other name.
Yes, so I have a question. So if you learn this Oracle DBA, will you be able to use the knowledge on other like SQL, like Microsoft Server or others?
All the databases are behave like almost same only. Okay, there are many people, those who are working as a MySQL DBA, those people who are working as a SQL Server DBA, they are also trying to make their hands dirty in Oracle DBA also, and their previous knowledge is really going to help them. I'll tell you the reason behind that. See, if you know how to handle the OnePlus mobile, you can easily handle the EMI mobile also, or Xiaomi also, or any other mobile, because all mobiles are almost same, correct? Windows Server is quite different from the Oracle. Only the reason is that Windows, like when you talk about the SQL Server, you are mostly work on the Windows like GUI kind of things you will mostly see. But if you're working as a MySQL DBA or PostgreSQL, this is like Oracle only. So many DBAs are who are already working as a DBA in different database. They are pretty much comfortable with the Oracle. They are pretty much comfortable with the Oracle because almost all the responsibilities are already same. Only the way we do here, it is little different. But again, everyone know what is database, how to put the database into up and running, what is the performance. Your fundamentals are already good. You just need to understand how it works in Oracle. So even I work with the SQL Server, so all the things are pretty much simple, straightforward, easy, especially for the people who are already working as a DBA. So in a very simple term, I can say that your existing knowledge as any irrespective of any database going to help you with this training. Okay. Yes, please. Next question.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
This is Santosh here from Bangalore. So regarding, you told like everything about patches, there are whatever the documenting and all. And how about a RAC? RAC is not included on this course, like how?
RAC we don't have with the Oracle DBA. We have a separate training is available for Oracle RAC. So I'll be the instructor, but we have a different training is there.
Because most of them, if you go on LinkedIn or the Naukri.com,
correct.
So if you check the profile for employer, same thing. The many company asking if you have a knowledge of the RAC only can able to apply for the job. Even though if you have a experience more than 3 years or 4 years, they are giving a first preference actually.
I am always saying that, but the path is pretty much straightforward. First SQL, Linux, then Oracle DBA, then the RAC. Okay, so those people who are thinking that I am very good with the Oracle DBA, they can directly join the RAC. But RAC you need to understand only when you are comfortable with Oracle DBA, because there I'll discuss about all the big things. Then it should not happen that array mere ko to ye pata hi nahi hai. Then that should not happen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Thank you
normally
so much.
what happened, like my 99.99% people are moving from Oracle DBA to RAC class. So we don't concentrate on the RAC much because we already get all my people from here to there. So no need to disclose. Like we don't care about the RAC much because my people are just moving from Oracle DBA to RAC as soon as they complete Oracle DBA.
Okay, easily you can understand, right? Once you come to know about the Oracle DBA course.
Because I am always giving the reference of Oracle DBA class in the RAC class.
Yeah.
So that way people will easily, like some people they will do the Oracle DBA training from some other institute and then they join us for RAC here. They find little difficulty because why they find difficulty, because they don't know about the Oracle DBA, some of the concept which I'm expecting them to know. So usually our always focus is on Oracle DBA, and the same people will go to the RAC. So
okay.
yes, next question.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Yes, anyone have any questions so that I can take that? Okay, so those people who are interested for this real-time practical based training, they can reach out to my team. The numbers are available in the chat options. Those people who are interested to take the training, they can visit our website. So this is our official website. You can go here and you can go here and you can just enroll from here also. Or the best way is, if you want to discuss anything with my team, just call, talk about the details if you have anything, and they will clear out all the things. Okay, so I think I have given almost all the questions. Okay, but still, if you have any questions, not a problem, just check with my team. The number is available in the chat options. Okay, all the details are available on our website also. Those people who are interested, they can fill up the Google form which is available, and let us know, guys. Okay, we are going to start this training from next week, and we will continue our SQL class from tomorrow. Okay, if you are not interested to join this training, not a problem, but we have a free training is going on for SQL. Please utilize that. Okay, the intention is very clear that at least you people will understand SQL and Linux. Okay, so Linux we already conducted, SQL we are starting that, so please utilize that. Okay, so for this let me check how many vacancies we have right now. So we have some 7 vacancies are available now. Okay, so 7 vacancies are there. We just got 1 admission now, and we'll close that admission in next 3 days. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and thank you so much for your valuable time. I hope you enjoyed the sessions and you find it useful. Thanks, and please connect from tomorrow, guys. Okay, thanks, bye bye, thanks.